Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to build Apache TomEE 8.0.14 from its source code using Jenkins 2.375 and Maven 3.8 without using any source code repository. So that is we are going to build the Apache TomEE 8.0 project from local directory without using source code repository. Okay. Now let me go to the build source directory. Here you can see that I already downloaded Apache TomEE 8.0.14 tar.zip file or zip file. So this is zip file, source code zip file. So I have provided the download link in the description of this video. Now let us come to Jenkins. So before I build the project, let me show you the global tool configuration for this Apache TomEE 8.0.14 project. So this is my Maven installation. I have integrated Maven 3.8.7 with Jenkins, and these are my JDK installations, JDK 11 and JDK 17 I am using. And this is my Apache Maven installation, Maven 3.8.7. Let me show you settings.xml. So I am pointing below Maven local repository where all the jars, forms, artifacts will be downloaded to that local repository. And here is my local repository. Make sure that you have internet connection in order to download jars and pom files from the Maven repository. Now let us come to Jenkins dashboard. I am creating a new project. So this will be a Maven project. I am giving some name to the project. This will be a Maven project. Yes. Okay. Click the OK button. Now let us configure the Maven project. So JDK, I am using JDK 11. Source code management, I am selecting none because I am going to build the source code in the local directory. I am not going to use any source code repository. Next, under build, root pom is pom.xml. Goals and options. So this is the goals and options for this Apache TomEE 8.0.14 project. This is a lengthy goal and option. So I have provided the goal and option in the description of this video. So rest of the settings remains as it is. Apply and save it. Apply and save it. Now come back and click the link build now. So now I am building the empty project. Why I am building empty project? Because one new directory will be created under the workspace directory by Jenkins. So this is the directory created. So copy the path. So I am going to extract the Apache TomEE 8.0.14 source code zip file to this newly created directory under workspace by Jenkins. Okay, let me extract the content to the newly created directory for Apache TomEE 8.0.14 project. Okay. So this is the final directory structure after extracting the content. So make sure that parent pom or root pom.xml is available. Then only Jenkins will recognize and pick up the build. Okay. Now come back to Jenkins. Once again, click build now. So this will automatically pick up the root pom.xml or parent pom.xml and it will start build the Apache TomEE 8.0.14 source code in the directory. So build is successful. Apache TomEE 8.0.14 build is successful. Now let me go to the top. Okay, come back to the project. Okay, in left you can see modules, right? Click the modules. Yes. See here, you can browse the Apache TomEE 8.0.14 modules. So these are the modules and submodules available in the pom.xml. Okay, you can browse each module. Okay, I think more than 100 modules are there in Apache TomEE 8 project. Okay, now let us go to the workspace. So in workspace, we are going to browse for the output. So output is available under Apache TomEE Apache TomEE target directory. So you can see binaries for both Linux and Windows environment are available. So Apache TomEE come with the different flavors like Apache Microprofile, Plume, Apache TomEE Plus, etc. So we have successfully built Apache TomEE 8.0.14 project in Jenkins.